to Splash Lab, where we make science simple and fun.
Let's dive in.
Our systems rely on water that can come from hundreds of miles away before it reaches an intake to be treated. We use technology to monitor water right at the source, and that helps us protect the health and the safety of our customers and communities we serve. So how do we do it? Let's take a look.
We've implemented sensors at the intakes of each of our surface water plants. These sensors monitor things about the water like pH, temperature, dissolved oxygen. This is important for the health of aquatic life. Nutrients and organics, like nitrogen runoff from fertilizers, and other factors depending on the source. Our R&D team also built their own sensor lab for testing new sensor technologies.
So what are we doing with all the information that our sensors gather? As more information comes into our treatment plants from our sensors, we can understand what changes in the water supply are normal or seasonal and what changes we should investigate further. For example, you might have heard about harmful algal blooms. These blooms can have certain types of algae in the water that are harmful to people and pets. By monitoring our surface water for cloudiness and other water quality conditions, we can detect these risks sooner and initiate our action plans to help protect the public health.
Something else we take seriously with monitoring source water is understanding the potential risks that exist upstream of our intakes. We really get to know who our neighbors are, like factories and farms, and how their activities can affect water supplies. We also partner with other water utilities and organizations to monitor upstream conditions. Our database is regularly updated with potential sources of contamination. Understanding what contaminants are located upstream can help us identify what to look for and determine a response so that we keep quality water flowing to your tap.
We take water quality very seriously, and your safety is our #1 priority. When it comes to complying with strict federal regulations for delivering safe quality drinking water, we have consistently scored among the highest of all water companies. That's why we are proud of our leadership in water science.
Until next time, we will be here at the Splash Lab helping to protect our customers and the environment.